I want to ask this question. What is the future of regionalism in Tripura?
What is this regionalism and nationalism and patriotism?
No.
These are all isms.
Isms.
You don't live in a vacuum. What we want, and it's not Tripura only. I have lived enough. I speak Samuel's language. I understand, I've traveled extensively across Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Dimasa Hasao. I have a lot of Assamese friends. There is no regionalism. What is your self-interest? Our self-interest has to be protected. And if you want to protect your self-interest, you have to rise above party politics. The guy in BJP, the guy in Congress, the guy in My Tipra Motha has to speak less about the leaders and about the people's problem and how to solve those problems, how to bring in solution. Today, you go to Tamil Nadu, they will speak more about the Dravidian problem than the DMK, AIDMK, Congress, BJP problem. They speak about the problems of the people. What we are doing is, we are talking about our leaders. We are talking about our parties. We are talking about a symbol. So the future of the indigenous people of Tripura will improve the day Congress, BJP, Tipra Motha, IPFT, Communist Party speak for the interest and for the constitutional protection of the indigenous people and not for the leaders, and not we can bring change. Nobody can bring change. Legislative, constitutional changes have to be brought. Then only we will survive. Not the party, the people.